best expense management software for HR team. Expense management for HR teams is not just about collecting receipts. The software options are compared by approvals, reimbursements, policy control, employee experience, reporting, and the points where expense processes slow down. Expenses are a handoff problem. For finance, expenses are numbers, receipts, categories, approvals, and reconciliation. A delayed reimbursement can feel unfair. It should make the rules visible, make approval paths predictable, and make work-related spending feel consistent. This is general information, not legal, tax, or financial advice. SAP Concur for complex expense operations. SAP Concur makes the most sense when the company has outgrown simple reimbursement workflow. SAP Concur is built for more formal organizations that need control across travel and expense management. It may feel too heavy for a smaller company that only needs basic receipt capture and quick reimbursements. But when policy consistency and scale are the priority, SAP Concur is one of the serious enterprise options. Expensify is strong when submitting expenses feels slow. Expensify is useful when the biggest pain is the everyday employee workflow. That matters for HR because a difficult expense process creates frustration quickly. People delay submissions, lose receipts, ask the same questions, or feel like reimbursement depends on chasing someone. The important part is to review pricing, card options, reimbursement settings, and plan limits before deciding if it fits the whole team. When policy needs a structure without too much weight, consider Zoho Expense. Zoho Expense is a practical option for small and mid-sized businesses that want more discipline around employee spending. Employees should not have to guess whether a hotel, meal, taxi, training course, software subscription, or home office item is allowed. It is not the most enterprise-heavy option, and that can be an advantage. It fits teams that want control but do not want every reimbursement to feel like corporate paperwork. Ramp changes the question from who paid to should this be spent. Ramp is different because it focuses strongly on spend management, not only reimbursement after the fact. Ramp is strongest for eligible companies that want to control spend before it turns into a reimbursement issue. It may not fit every country, business size, or company structure, so availability and requirements matter. But when prevention is more important than cleanup, Ramp is one of the most relevant platforms to evaluate. Navan is built for the travel-heavy employee journey. Navan makes sense when expenses are closely tied to travel. For HR teams, business travel is not only a cost, it affects employee experience, safety, fairness, and how supported people feel when they are away from home for work. But when travel is part of the job, combining booking and expenses can reduce a lot of friction. Rippling spend is powerful when HR data should control access. Rippling spend is especially relevant for HR teams because it connects spending with employee data. A new hire may need access to a card or a spending limit. A promoted employee may need a different approval route. An employee leaving the company should not keep access to spending tools, Pleo, when employee spending needs less friction. Pleo is a strong option for teams that want company cards, receipt capture, real-time tracking, accounting integrations, and spending controls in a more employee-friendly way. It is especially relevant for many European businesses. For HR, the appeal is simple. Employees should not always have to use personal money for work and then wait to be paid back. Company cards with clear limits can make everyday spending smoother while still giving the company control. Sage Expense Management is useful when you want to keep existing cards. Sage Expense Management, formerly File, is worth considering when the company already has corporate cards and does not want to replace them. Its strength is connecting expense tracking, receipt matching, and workflows with existing card programs and tools employees already use. If employees can submit receipts quickly and the system can match transactions more intelligently, the whole process feels less disruptive. For finance, reconciliation becomes easier. Remove the friction employees feel first. A large company with complex travel and compliance may look at SAP Concur. The key is not choosing the platform with the most impressive feature list. For HR teams, expense management is not only about controlling spend.